What's up, everybody? It's Anything More, and we're back again with another video. Now, I know what you're thinking. Insurance, that's not exactly the most thrilling topic. But trust me, the future of insurance is looking seriously techy. We're talking AI, drones, blockchain, the whole 9 yards. So buckle up, because we're about to break down how technology is completely changing the insurance game and what it means for you. First up, let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is practically running the insurance show in 2025. We're talking next-level data analysis here. AI is helping companies predict risks with crazy accuracy. Like, imagine your car insurance rate being personalized based on your actual driving habits. AI-powered chatbots are totally changing customer service. Need to file a claim? Just pull up a chat with a virtual assistant and boom, you're done in minutes. AI is also streamlining things on the back end for insurance companies. Faster underwriting processes and fraud detection make it a win-win for everyone involved. Next up, let's talk about something I know you guys love: drones. The insurance industry is using drones in some seriously innovative ways. After a natural disaster, drones can assess damage without putting anyone at risk. And then there's the Internet of Things, or IoT. Smart home sensors can detect things like water leaks or fires before they become major problems, which means fewer claims for you. Wearables are becoming huge in health insurance. If you're living a healthy lifestyle, shouldn't your insurance reflect that? With fitness trackers, insurers can reward you for making healthy choices. Technology is making insurance more efficient and personalized. Chapter 3. Blockchain, securing the future of insurance. Blockchain is making serious waves in the insurance industry. It's all about transparency and security. When you're dealing with sensitive information like policy details and claims, you need a system that's bulletproof. One of the coolest applications of blockchain in insurance is smart contracts. Imagine this: you're at the airport and your flight gets delayed. With a smart contract, your travel insurance payout could be triggered automatically. The contract verifies the delay and boom, the money is in your account. No paperwork, no calling customer service, no waiting around. It's all about automating trust and making sure things run smoothly. Chapter 4. Virtual and augmented reality, stepping into the future of coverage. VR and AR aren't just for gaming anymore. The insurance industry is using these immersive technologies to change the game. Imagine this: you're an insurance agent, and you need to learn how to handle a really complex claim. With VR training, you can practice your skills in a safe environment. And then there's AR. Picture this: you're looking at your house and you want to know exactly what's covered under your home insurance policy. With AR, you could just point your phone at your house and an overlay would show you exactly what's protected. Chapter 5. The road ahead. What's next for tech and insurance? AI, drones, blockchain, VR, Arkansas. It's clear that technology is already transforming the insurance industry. But this is just the beginning. Self-driving cars are becoming more common, right? It could completely change how we think about car insurance. And then there's the potential for AI to manage your entire insurance portfolio for you. Imagine having a personalized AI assistant that analyzes your needs, finds you the best deals, and handles all the paperwork. Technology is making insurance faster, smarter, and more personalized than ever before. The future of insurance is looking pretty exciting. So, there you have it, guys. That's a glimpse into the future of insurance. Technology is making insurance more efficient, more accessible, and even a little bit fun. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay insured and stay innovative.